Tumeshangaa sana kupata kuna pombe inatengenezwa hapa Chebown, na hawali pali tuko na watu wa nyumba 10, tuko na assistant chief, tuko na chief, lakini hakuna kazi yenye tunaona. Kama hawa alienda wapi? Chief ameenda wapi? Saa hii hawa wamekaa karibu miaka 1 na kitu, na chief hawajajua, mtu wa nyumba 10 hawajajua. Watoto wetu wanakufa, kumbe tuko naye hapa. Tumeshangaa.
Behind us here, we have 12 sealed boxes of Space vodka and Best alcohol. We also have 1,260 liters of ethanol in 42 jerrycans. We have also been able to confiscate 3 plastic jerrycans holding 320 liters each for distilling. We also have 210 liter jerrycans for mixing substances. We have 200 assorted boxes containing empty bottles of various brands. And we have also found counterfeit stickers for Space and Trigger. And we have also found KRA stamps. We are happy to report that we have been able to arrest one suspect, but we are aware that the owner is at large. This place is a rented premise, so it belongs to somebody. It's a home actually, but somebody has rented it for the purpose of distilling counterfeit alcohol. We will continue to conduct similar raids across the sub-county so that we can ensure that all who are involved in such illegal activities are arrested and arraigned before court.